These are the results for the precipitate lab, just a visual. So after day 2, we filtered. Okay, there's a filter paper with a funnel, and we collected our precipitate or solid here, and this is what dripped through. Okay, and this is lined up with test tube 1 over here, and then test tube 8 over here. And you can see test tube 1 looks very clear. Test tube 8, I don't know if you can tell it, but it's a pretty dark blue color. And you can kind of see that progression and maybe more lighter blue like in the middle here. So we got clear, got darker blue over here and lighter blue here. And this would just be some sample data of the filtrate of the things that drip through. Again, that containing not only the ions, the spectator ions that drip through in the product, but also any excess reactant. Okay, and plus the water that you filtered with as well. Okay, just one other visual so you can see these precipitates. We'll try to do this with this camera here, not too good with this. I'm looking over here and we have, let's see if I can point in here with something. This is test tube 1. So you can kind of see that black. Test tube 2, blackish precipitate. Test tube 3, black precipitate. Test tube 4, it's a little bit of a mix between gray and some blue spattered in, but a darker gray. Let's look at these other ones here. Let's see if I can hold this without knocking these things over. I'll try to do this. This is number 5 right here. Again, a little bit lighter gray with a little more blue. Number 6, even lighter gray with more blue. And number 7, not much there, but it looks blue with what we have. And number 8 looks quite blue there. So those would be some examples from this one of the precipitates. Okay, maybe one more example I will show you of precipitates is over here. And this one is Ms. Porterfield, if you're watching, you're supposed to go to the office. Okay, I have this right here, and I'm just going to bring this camera over here and showing the precipitates spread out to dry. And this would be number 1. This would be number 2, looks black. Number 3, this one has black with a touch of gray, but still quite black. This one for number 4 is pretty much all blue. I don't really see any black there. And then going to number 5, it looks, what, number 5 still looks blue. Number 6 is kind of hiding. I can kind of turn this around. Looks blue. Number 7, not much there, but blue. And number 8, not much there, but kind of a blue color there. So that might give you a visual of this, depending how well this turned out. But thought that might be helpful if you weren't here to be able to see this, to pick that up. All right, thank you for watching. And this would be after day 2 of the precipitate lab.